Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to show you some easy back to school hairstyles. It's kind of back to school season, so I thought I would show you some cute hairstyles to wear to school and be all pretty and cute for the beginning of the year. These are all really easy because I am not good with my hair, I am not good at hairstyles, I do not use heat or anything like that. I'm just going to use simple hair things, so don't worry. So anyways, let's just get started. First off, I'm going to start off with a really easy one, but it's also really fun. So first off, I'm gonna do a high ponytail, but it's really cute. Okay, so wait, I don't really have my side bangs anymore, but I'm gonna pretend that they're still really short. Okay, oh, he's so nice. I love my hair. Okay, so I just kind of pull out the front pieces first so I don't forget those. Try to brush everything back. I'm gonna use a scrunchie, but you don't have to, but I think that makes it look just so much cuter. Okay, so just we kind of want it messy, right? You can also just do it tight and pull everything to the back, of course. I like it when it's not. Just kind of pull out the hairs. It's definitely messy, but that's what we're going for, right? I feel like this is very simple. It's like a classic, you know? Oh, and I have hairs. The next up is a messy high bun. I think this one is also so cute, and I was in trouble with this one. It was really not that hard, but maybe because my hair is long right now. I'm basically just gonna do the same thing again. So get all of my hair, and I kind of do this to make it messy and make the hairs fall out. But that's just cute, you know. Then I twist it, but like not too tight because then it's not gonna be messy. I think I'm just gonna use a normal hair tie for this, but you can definitely use a scrunchie. Or you can just use a normal hair tie first and put a scrunchie over it. Ooh, I kind of pull the hairs out. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh my god, that's a whole lot of hair. That is this hairstyle. Then the next hairstyle is a little bit more classy, but I really like this one as well. So that's why I wanted to show you, and I will also turn it into something else. Make sure it's in the middle. So I'm gonna really brush it through because this is more of a tight hairstyle, but it also looks really good. So this one also very simple. I will turn a little bit like this. So basically this is just a little ponytail. If you have to, just brush it a bit more through and then just make a ponytail. That was it. This one's so simple, but I feel like also just really classy, and like it just goes with everything. I don't know why, but it makes me feel older. Oh, and if you have like these front pieces like me, I think it's best to use like bobby pins, or maybe you can like use hairspray to like hold it back. Of course, you could also do this, but then a little bit more messy. That's also really cute. Now from this, I want to make a little tidy bun. A little bit more tidy because it's kind of hard to make a really tidy bun for me, but it's gonna be not a messy bun. Yeah, I'm gonna use another black hair tie for this. So you can again use a scrunchie, but I like it like this because it makes it more tidy, and yes. So we're just gonna go straight off from this ponytail. So we're just gonna like twist it around, and then we're gonna twist it around again. Okay, so this is kind of hard, but doable. Okay, so it's not the tidiest bun, but I do still like it. It's like not messy, but also not extremely tidy, but it's like in between, and I think it's just perfect. Even though it's not my best one, but okay. And I think it's just perfect for school because it's like out of the way. It's so casual and cute. Now, if you really like that one, I also have a messy one for you. Also very simple, very easy. I don't know really how to show you this though. So you grab all of your hair and make sure your front pieces are out if you want that. I do because it's cute. You're just gonna twist it around, but definitely not as tight. You just gonna twist it around. If you want like this, you can like pull your hair out. It's not bad. You can definitely make it more messy than this, but my hair is just very straight. I'm sorry. But I definitely think this is cute as well. This is like more of the lazy look, you know, but in a good way. I love that. Now I also have to have up, half down, hairstyles. So the first one is like with a braid in the back, and this is not easy for me because I'm not the best at braiding, and especially not in the back of my head. So I'm gonna try my best. I hope it looks okay. So I'm just gonna turn around for you. So of course we're just gonna grab the top part of this and then just divide it into 3 pieces. And this is so not easy. Oh my god. And then just braid it, but like not too tight. You can if you want to. I have no idea how this looks. Okay, I'm just gonna stop here. Okay, I believe it's not that bad. Hi, my battery died, but I'm back. But I hope you get the idea of this hairstyle, even though there's like a lot of front pieces out, but I really don't want to do it again. I think it still looks kind of good, especially for my doing, so we're just gonna go with it. Now the next one is also half up, half down hairstyle, and it was so popular when I was in high school. So many girls wore this in my school, like it was insane. So I do use a clip for this. It's a little bit of a smaller clip though, but my hair is pretty thin. If you have thicker hair, you could also use one like this, for example, but I'm gonna use this. Okay, I'm gonna turn around again. Now of course, get the front pieces of your hair, take it to the back. And what I find easiest with this is to kind of twist it around a bit. You don't have to, but I think it's easier. It'll hold the hair better. You kind of twist it, and then you get the clip, and then you pull it. Okay, that's not great, but okay, this is not the best. I think you get the idea, and it's not that bad. If you've been following me for a while, then you know that I've also uploaded a different hairstyle video in which I also showed you 4 hairstyles with a claw clip, and if you want to see those, you should really watch that video. But I am going to show you one of those because it's like just so simple and it's really one of my go-to hairstyles, so I am going to show you that one, but it's also in the other video. I'm going to use a bigger clip for this one, and I'm going to turn around again. So grab all of your hair together and kind of hold it like a ponytail. Then you're going to twist it around again, then bring it up and back down. And you're going to grab your clip and put it together. It's definitely one of my favorites because it's just so easy, but it still looks really good. And that's the final look. And that was the last hairstyle. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can always check out my other hairstyles video, which also has a lot of easy and cute hairstyles for you. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. And I hope I will see you in my next video.